Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to export as an MP3 in Audacity. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To export your audio as an MP3 file, first make sure you have all your audio edited and ready in the timeline. Once you are ready, all you need to do is click on File in the top left and then hover over Export and then choose Export as MP3. Set a file name and choose a destination for the outputted file, and quickly check that it says MP3 files next to where it says Save as Type. If all this looks good, click on Save and allow it to export, and then you can listen to it. That's how to export as an MP3 in Audacity. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.